your support fire. Yeah, I'm on your team. Yeah, no bands. They're gonna be coming from the train tracks. They told our guys to fall back. They're gonna be coming behind us soon. Stand by. Verify.
Two of our teammates got hit.
You got no bands over here.
Good over here?
You're shooting at people. Knock it off. How's it going, Wayne? Yeah. What? Are they still behind us?
I don't know, but they shot. We got two of our guys.
Girly girl still there? Nah, she's walking away. Hey, we're getting shot at from behind. I don't know if they're ours or not.
Those guys.
Whatever, come on, Swede. Where are you moving to? Are they still on top of that building over there?
They're in the red one that says Hamburg.
Send it. Wayne, am I good to move?
Yeah.
Moving. Where they at?
I don't see any. I just took out two, and that's that gray box and this red one near us. We're all clear. The guy behind that gray one. You see it? I think you're looking the same spot.
Behind the gray Connex.
Yep. Behind the gray Connex.
Which side, right or left?
Right side.
Right side, gray Connex. Hey, just so y'all know, we've been told to pull back from the train tracks. They're gonna start flanking us. So, keep your eyes on your ass. Woo! You see him?
I do not. This is too far back. The guy got green Connex over by the silver.
You guys know what you're doing. Through the trees, if you cut through that way, there's two guys just laying down on the ground across the way near the...
In that thicket on the other side of this tall building?
Yeah, they're on the
all right.
berm looking over. If you go that way, be careful.
All right. Hi. Yeah. All right, we got too many people right here. Let's go. Hey, a dead wreck. Psst, 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 psst. Where they at? In the woods? How far? Okay, favoring which side of that red box? On the right. Okay. So they're watching both sides. Okay.
There's some moving.
Yep, they're moving left. Do you still have visual? Can you still see them?
No, they ran behind the red Connexes.
All right, they're moving behind the red Connexes, right side. No visual? All right, one dead moving out. You said they're in the Connex?
In front of it. Okay, right where he's walking now.
Is he ours? That guy's ours.
No, look, you look right.
Oh, on the other side of the Connex.
Yeah, where the rocks are. You see the rocks?
Yeah, so that would be the back of the Connex.
Yeah, back of the Connex.
All right, you're good. They're moving to the left. Yeah, I just got no visual. Hey, right side! Red. He's dead. I fucked him up. Thank you. All right, we're gonna try to do what we did earlier. Is he still in front of this Connex?
They're running. They're cutting through where you guys are shooting them. That's where they're.
Yeah, they're moving left.
Yeah.
Nate, Sean. Yeah? We're moving back to Twin Towers.
No, we're not. Oh. I just saved your ass, homie. We clear on that side?
Yes, sir.
Cool. Come on, Swede!
Thank you.
Watch that left. So keep an eye on that sector, okay? All right, let's try this again. All right, you ready to run across?
3, 2, 1.
Go. He's still on top of that Connex.
3, 2, 1.
Go. Next. You ready? Go. Go. Moving. All right, make sure your gun's ready, okay? Because their spawn's that way to your 12. How's that left look? Good try. Clear? Good?
James!
Yeah, I saved your ass. He was right there.
Yeah, I got
You see it? You see that?
Shoot them all.
Stand by.
That man walking.
Oh, it was a dud. They're inside. Oh, I want a dud.
James! James!
So they're in that Connex. This red one right here.
I'm gonna go talk to my buddy.
You just get hit.
We got like 10 of them. They're in the bushes and shit. I'm gonna go across and revive them.
Go. Don't you look at us. All right, it's gonna get hairy here after they come out of spawn, okay? So we gotta try to work on this red building over here, I think. Problem is they're gonna sit in here and shoot. Huh? What's up? Whoa, 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 whoa.
I can't see.
He's standing in the open.
Meaning.
He's locked on you, homie.
He's dead! He's dead! You have a dead rig? Yeah.
Hey, you gotta go all the way to spawn, gentlemen.
Here's a dead rig.
Yo, gentlemen, all the way to spawn. Come on. Don't be pulling that shit. Yo, I'm hit. Really? They're not gonna go all the way to spawn? Thank you. It's on camera, homies. I'm going to spawn.